Hey everybody, got another pocket video for you today. So this is a private swap, private exchange. So my partner is doing a July 4th pocket letter, mini pocket letter, and I'm going to do Canada Day, and we're going to exchange. So I thought, oh, I'll get some color pages because I love coloring pages of animals. These are Canadian animals that we have up here in Canada. So we got a page of bears, mostly black bear. We have the other bears too, but where I live it's mostly black bear. So I got that cool page. And then I got this really cool deer. There's a lot of deer around our place. And then I got a cool wolf, like a native design wolf. So that's pretty cool. So I got a wolf, a deer, bears. I've only seen a black bear once. And then we have a moose. A Canadian moose. You don't get any more Canadian than a moose. So yeah. So I got those cool coloring pages. And then I got, these are some of the stuff I'm going to put in the pockets. So I got my favorite tea. So I thought I'm going to stay with kind of like red and white theme. So I got some red and white paper clips, red and white sparkles. There's flowers and hearts and stars in there. I got red and white ribbon. And I got some red hearts. And come here. I got a keychain that says Canada on it with our loon. So I thought, oh, that'd be pretty cool. And then I found these. These are tattoos. I found them at Dollarama. So this is made in Canada, Canada. So we got our hockey symbol in there. I got our moose in there. It's kind of weird, the one with the blue. Got a beaver. Those are tattoos. And then I got these pins. I got them from the dollar store too. So I got a hockey cover, I got A covered, I got the flag covered, animals covered. And all my items are red and white. And then for my pocket letter, I just want to stay with red and white. I just did a Canada flag themed one. So I just printed these little Canada flags out off on my printer, and I just colored them in with marker. Got this cool red ribbon, these cool stones. Actually, these stones came out of a pocket letter that I received. Yeah, so I just did red and white Canada flag theme. So yeah, it's just a mini one. I'm going to put these items in the back because I haven't did that yet. And yeah. So that is my Canada Day mini pocket letter. Later.